Did you know that Google has recently launched its AI chatbot, known as Bard, and it's already changing the way we look at AI chatbots? Before we dive further into the video, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest AI content. Google Bard is a large language model chatbot that was first launched in March 2023, but was initially only available in the UK and in the US. It quickly gained a reputation for its impressive abilities, and in July 2023, Google made it available in 230 countries and 40 languages. People can use Bard to learn anything they want. For example, a student can ask Bard to help him with his Italian fluency in under 3 months, and it will give him step-by-step guidance to help him achieve his goal, or a business person can ask Bard to help him develop a marketing plan for a new product, and the list goes on. Bard also has features like Google Lens, Modify Response, Double-Check Response, Text-to-Speech option, and Share option. Let's go through each of them one by one. First, we have Google Lens. Bard can use Google Lens to identify and get information about objects in the real world. For instance, let's upload an image and ask for a caption to see how it works. The prompt is going to be give me a caption for this image. Wow, now you don't have to think for half an hour for a caption. You can also use Google Lens to ask Bard for some ideas on how to sell your products. For example, upload a picture of your product and ask, "This is my new product. Can you give me some ideas on how to sell it?" And it will give you a list of ways you can sell your product. Next, we have Modify Response, which allows you to change Bard's responses to 5 different options: short, long, simple, casual, or professional. You also have the option of viewing other drafts. Bard's allows you to see different versions of Bard's response to your query. You can choose the one that you prefer. Another cool feature of Bard is its text-to-speech option, where you can listen to Bard's responses.
Good morning in Italian is buongiorno. You can pronounce it as buongiorno. It is a formal greeting that can be used in any situation, whether you are talking to a friend, family member, or stranger. You can also use it in a business setting. Here are some other ways to say good morning in Italian.
This can be very helpful for those who have difficulty reading text. Or, if you are directed towards speaking a new language, you can learn the pronunciation of its words by listening to Bard. Or if you are multitasking, you can listen to Bard's responses while doing other things. Then we have Double-Check Response. And this one is by far the most revolutionary one, unlike ChatGPT, which responds to your question, but you have no idea whether it is true or not. Bard, on the other hand, allows you to double-check its responses to see if they are factual. What it means is that if the response turns green, it's a fact, and if it turns red, it's misinformation or disputed. Besides all these amazing features, you also have the Share option, where you can export all the text to your Google Doc or draft in email. Last but not least, you have these 2 little options. First, you got this little microphone you can use to speed things up instead of texting, and second, you can pin your precious conversation at the top. And that was it for today, guys. I hope you have learned something from this video. If so, subscribe to the channel, and on top of that, smash the like button. With all that being said, I'm going to meet each and every single one of you down in the comments section below. Take care.